Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. You can probably tell I'm stuffed up, something, whatever it is. I've been sick 3 or 4 days. It started out just, I ain't gonna lie, it's probably the paint that I've been painting and all the sanding where I hadn't been wearing a respirator like I should. So about a week I've not had a voice. So I've been working on this thing either way, still kind of working towards the end goal here maybe. But yeah, let's see where we're at here. All right, here we go. Alright, so if you've dealt with the S13, I've never had one before. This one was stripped somewhat, the interior. This harness was actually in the car still, but none of the accessories, none of the parts were here. The headlights are in the trunk, yeah, I actually found those, so this is where I'm about to start. You know what I got going here. I'm just trying to lay out everything so I can mark where everything I can find goes. Just trying to figure everything out, like the lights and stuff. I'm going to try to mark everything as I'm taking it apart. Turn signals, light bulbs, all the above. This is the harness that goes to, I think that all this stuff is to like your starter for your engine stuff. and your other lights, your deal for your, that's your, I think it's to the a relay or something for the windshield wipers. I think that's the plug to the windshield wipers. I'll have to mark all this stuff before I get done. So it goes into the ECU on this side. So I'm gonna mark what I can before I start trimming. So I guess in theory the idea is to take out the wires from this fuse box roughly. Obviously you can leave the lights alone, but minus the lights, shorten from here all the way over to as close as we can get to this other ECU, or not ECU, but fuse box. So that's the idea. And then once we get inside the cab of the car, I think we need to leave this length. I think this length will go across the top of the bar inside. And I think, best I can remember from what I've been watching some videos on this one because I've been dreading this thing. I think we can shorten a lot of this, or just leave it in the car or something, but I think we can shorten a lot of it. See, my problem is I don't know what to take out because this car is not going to have air conditioner. It's not going to have a lot of features. It's an automatic car, so there's going to be other parts and things that I don't need. I hadn't made up my mind about ABS and all that, so I really don't know just yet. So I don't know if I'll do a wire by wire kind of thing. I don't know. See, and I can't find any videos that says what I can leave out without any kind of issues. That's what I'm afraid of. So do I end up with a bunch of wires that, you know, like you get into this fuse box, you know, you got air conditioner. Can I leave that out? You know, you got, you know, the horn and stuff. I don't care anything about a horn and all that, but nothing else. I can wire my own horn if I want to do something else, but I just, yeah. I think some of the things I could take out, but I don't know if they're going to run the same 5-volt reference wires off of something else. I don't know if there's the same ground on something else, if they share a ground. So yeah, this is what we're starting on next. The tubs, I've got to, so the goal is here, is I'm gonna do a drop here and catch down here somewhere and just fill that in, and then I'll roll a piece up here to finish that off. Then I'll start that side. I've got to get some more material. I may have already laid that out, or might have said it already. I don't know. I don't think I have because I've been sick for a few days, but all right, so I guess I'm gonna start marking wires and getting ready to start pulling everything back inside. As my luck would have it, all right, so my muffler shop guy, I may have already told that he got run over by some old man in his shop. So the muffler guy's down. He's got an employee, but I don't know when he's there. So they're open, then they're not open. So I really don't know. And then I found out that the paint guy that's going to do the body work was in a car wreck. Broke 7-8 ribs, was in the hospital. I just found that out like yesterday. I seen it on Facebook or whatever. So just hope my engine builder's still in good shape. Marshall's machine shop, I've used them for years, man. I wouldn't go anywhere else. As far as me personally, you know, I've never had any issues. We were talking about this the other day. Is it possible to have something? Absolutely. I mean, everybody, you know, there's issues and there's things outside of a machinist's control, I would imagine. You know, defective parts, you know, tuning issues. You know, it ain't always going to be one or the other's fault. Could be all, could be none. Could be my error, you know, installation error. So, but that's who I use on all my machine work is Marshall's. He's always done great for me. I've been doing this for, well, 20 years, I'd say. And he's always done all my machine work. I've never took it anywhere else. Even when I had my shop, if we had any machine work done, that's who got it. You know, and he's always turning, he might say, it'd be a month, and in 2 weeks he'll call me. Sometimes it is the month, you know, but he tries to, you know, let me know it's going to be a while. So if, you know, if I'm in a hurry, I got to tell the customer that, you know what I mean? All I can do is all I can do as far as, because that's the shop I use, always have. But again, I've never had any issues to complain about, you know. So, yeah, that's who's got the motor. I think he just had back surgery not long ago, so maybe he's already straightened out and he's good for a while. But he told me a month on this job, so it's only been there maybe a week, so we got plenty of time, I think.